Hello everybody, thank you for joining me in one more video, Home Gardening 480, and today we are going to do the following. So now we are going to do this, 3 of them, and we are going to mix half of this and half of this into here. Then I'm gonna fill in this 3 trays and get them ready to put some seeds. Okay, so I'm going to add the water, some water. I think that's good. Then I'm going to get this block and then mix it with this in here to put, like I said, half of this and then half of this to go in those trays over there. Okay, I just did the mixing, and as the wife was saying, when you squeeze them and it maintains the shape, that means that it's good, that it is moist and it is not too wet that is running, but it is not soft that when you squeeze it, it will not maintain its shape. So this soil right now, it's good, and now it's ready to go from here in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, again, I'm just going to slightly fill the plugs without compacting it. I do this. I fill it. And once you fill them up slowly, below the top, I'll come here. I'll just plug just a little out. So there's room for bars of water there and individual parts. That's the way to. Okay. So now, move it this one. Here, so this, oh, good. This. Okay, so the way this one is done is I'm going to do this one and I'm going to do this one. There it is. So all 3 are done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take them inside the house and get them ready for putting the seeds in. So we were going to do this inside the house, but the kids are playing video games. So we decided that we're going to move it to the outside. And that's what we're going to do here. We are going to put the seeds
in the trays.
On the trays. There's this one, 2 rows, that one, this one, 2 rows, that one here, and then that one, because there's a lot of seeds, is going to go in this whole tray. All of these are tomatoes. You will see here each of these packages, they all have a 7 to 10 day. If I could zoom in, there it is, germination. We have that one, and then we have this other type of tomato, and this other type of tomato. And I think I skipped this one, and I skipped that one, and this one.
The planting depth is 1/4 inch. I'm going to just use a pencil and go about just to the where the graphite comes out. I'm just going to do 2 seeds in each. I'm going to have about 25 seeds in this planting. So, well, it's not a seed planting, I'm not sure it's really true, but, somebody decides to do that.
Yeah. So First tray is done. So these seeds are coated. And the reason they're coated
it's just to make them easier to plant. So you can
is
see
to plant.
that's the seed, and then this little coating is broken off there. So that's the coating, and the seed is inside. Okay?
And then once you do that, noodles. And some for you. Here's anything you want to say. Ready for the next second video.
These are one of my favorites. You get lots of little sweet tomatoes that are just so yummy, and you get big, they call these trellises of fruit. So I am definitely going to do lots of these.
Perfect. Same, 2.
Just 2 in each. And if I can, what I'll try to do is split these out if there actually is 2 plants per plug. But there's none of it. Pots.
Okay. So now, on to the seeds. Now on to the next one. So the next thing will be to close the seeds, the holes.
Just gonna cover up a bit.
Not a whole lot.
Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay.
All right. So now,
What?
next thing you're gonna water them. Okay. And again, this is to cover up, to keep the moisture in because they're going to be inside. And now, labels and the names. Let me go this way. And only one has the date, and it is this one. We just moved the trays to the house, and we are expecting germination like the package said. 7 to 10 days, which will be, today is the 17th, so 27th of December, somewhere like that. Is there anything else you might want to add before we close the video?
We're starting them early. We want to get them nice, good seedlings going so that middle of February or early March we have good starts to put in the ground.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you guys on the next video.